You've learned how to identify mold and moisture risks. Now it's time to focus on prevention. Prevention strategies are your first line of defense for maintaining healthy indoor air quality. Maintaining stable temperature and humidity helps prevent condensation and microbial growth. Aim to keep indoor conditions within recommended ranges and avoid drastic temperature swings, especially during weekends or school breaks. Excess humidity creates ideal conditions for mold. Regular inspections of condensate pans, drain lines, and sensors help prevent moisture buildup. Proper HVAC operation is critical for moisture control. Continuous ventilation, routine maintenance, and effective drainage systems help prevent water intrusion and humidity spikes throughout the building. Even the best systems rely on people. Training staff to promptly report leaks, spills, odors, or temperature issues allows small problems to be addressed before they become costly disruptions. By maintaining indoor conditions, operating systems consistently, and empowering staff to report issues early, you can prevent moisture problems and protect indoor air quality year-round.